everyone, myself Dr. Jaspreet, a general dentist, and I welcome you all to De9to, Delivering Smiles. Today in this video, I'll talk about how to replace a missing tooth. And before we start, I want to tell you the importance of replacing a missing tooth. So if you have a missing tooth, the number one problem it can lead to is bone loss. Number two, if there is any opposing tooth, then that will start to drop down. And number third, if there is empty space, then due to having no contacts, adjacent teeth will start to move from their place to fill that empty space. So it is very important to replace a missing tooth. So let's talk about what are the options available to replace a missing tooth. Number one, get a RPD. RPD means removable partial denture. So get a partial denture done. Although it will improve your cosmetic appearance, but it will not keep the bone level where it should be. This denture will take support from your tissues and sometimes from your teeth. And if it is a good quality denture, definitely it will help you in chewing your food, and you have to remove it every night before you sleep. On number two, we have FPD. FPD is fixed partial denture. And to place FPD in someone's mouth, we have to take support of two adjacent teeth. Well, this option is considered as the best option before implant came into picture. So why now it is not always the best option? Because if the two teeth adjacent to missing teeth are healthy, so to place the crowns we are disturbing two healthy teeth which otherwise didn't need to be disturbed. And in future, if something goes wrong with the two adjacent teeth or one of the adjacent teeth, then you have to lose the whole bridge, that is all the three crowns. So as of today, implants are considered as the best option to replace a missing tooth. So what is this implant? An implant is a screw that goes directly into your bone. Of course, we have to perform a minor surgery for that. But when it heals, we place crown over the implant. And this option does not disturb the adjacent teeth, as well as it helps keep the bone level. But there are situations when you are not fit for implant because your bone maybe isn't high enough to support the implant procedure, or maybe due to some health conditions you are not fit for implant. So how to find out which replacement option works best for you? There is always one option available, that is consult your nearby dentist. Your dentist will guide you in right direction for decision making as well as treatment planning. I hope after this video you will definitely get your tooth replaced if required. And to know more about updates in dentistry, do visit our website www.de9to.com. Thank you.